welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here. So guess what? I was just on a video, making a video for last Monday, which you're going to see this one. It looks like I'm in the same thing because I am. You're going to see this one the week that I'm gone. So by the time you're looking at this one, I'm on my way on my trip. So we are working in our rainy day April binder. So let's see where we're going to get to. So let's see, we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, and then we had 2 left over from the last rainy day savings video. So that's 52, 53, 54. So let's see. Let's get this here. And I know that we don't have any IOUs, but I do know that, let's see, I want to do this one first and this one first because I'm going to try to finish these up in this video. So let's start with quick draw because I wanted to finish this one and eggs in a basket because I finished one last week. And so I want to finish this one, and then that way in April we'll have a few that we're finishing up and a few that we're beginning. That way it's kind of stair-stepped, you know what I mean? So let's see, let me grab me some cards. Well, if I can open it. I liked using the cat ones last week, so let's use those again. Okay. I got these at Goodwill a long time ago, and I fell in love with them because I thought the pearls on the cat was just hilarious. I just loved it. All right, so let's shuffle them a little bit. They're kind of hard to shuffle because they're still so new. But that's okay. All right, so we play 3 rounds, and the first round, if we win, we have to get 2 of them right. And if we get 2 of them right, whichever way, win or lose, if we lose twice or win twice, that's what we pay $2 and $1 in the first round, $1 and $2 in the next, and a 5 and 1. So I'm going to say that in round 1, it's going to be higher, lower, and lower. So let's see. All right, lost that one. A 1. Well, I tied that one, which, you know. And I won that one. So now since we tied, we've got to decide again. So we're going to go lower. Lost. All right. So we have to pay $1. All right. So let me put these to a side. All right. Quick shuffle. Now we'll play row 2. We're going to go with, we're going to start on this end. Higher, higher, higher. Okay, let's see. All right, I won that one. Lost. And won. So we won it, so we got to pay $1. Okay, last round. All right. Here we go. I'm going to go with higher, lower, higher. All right, so we won that one. We won that one, and we won that one. So we paid $5. We did good. All right. Okay, this game is done for a little while. We're going to switch it out. So we will switch it out here. And I think I know what I'm going to do next time. I've been really wanting to do it, so we're gonna play another game. And let me find them. Where are they? There they are. Okay. We are going to play our Busy Bee cards in place of Quick Draw. And I don't have anything to put in here, so I just need to write something down. But before we do that, let's finish this up and see how much we managed to save in Quick Draw. Oops. Okay. So we saved 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 77, 78, 79, 80, $81 in Quick Draw. That is excellent. All right, and when I get back from my trip, I will be sinking this money. So I'm just going to put it in the box for now. And if I have time to sink it before my trip, I'll do that, but I kind of doubt I will. All right, so we're going to put this up. So let's find a spot for it. We'll see. Okay, we just finished this one, so we'll just slip this one right here with it. We finished the garden club last week. And I think what we will do is I'm going to take, let's see, I'm going to just write right here, make my own little dashboard. And we'll do Busy Bee cards in this place. Okay. Now there. So we got that one. And it's all ready to play. So let's work on Eggs in a Basket, because that's the other one I wanted to finish. So we're going to roll and see. Well, I don't guess there's really any point in rolling because I plan to do all of them anyway. So I wanted to finish this one out. And let's see. I don't think I want to use that color. We're going to do $1 per egg. So that'll be $6 that will go in. And this one, it was never meant to be a big, huge money maker. I wanted one that was, just, real easy to do. Have some quick wins, So we'll get this one colored in. Well, I just decided I'd color the whole egg after all. I started with a different plan. All right, and then we're going to have some pretty blue flowers on this egg. Coloring these eggs has made me want to actually color Easter eggs. I haven't done it in a while because Ashlyn didn't seem like she wanted to, and she's my youngest. And so, of course, I didn't push it or anything, but I kind of wouldn't mind doing it. And I used to love the Easter egg hunt. Let's color in our little chick. There we go. Now, all right, so we've got $6 going into this one. All right, so we have that one and that one. Okay, let's see how much we got in Eggs in a Basket. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, $53. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I'm not hating that. Okay, so we've got to pick out a new one to go in its place. So let's see. We've got Cottage Cash. Let's see what that's about. Okay. That one's cute. I don't think it's speaking to me quite yet, though. Coins to Cash. That one would be kind of fun. Let's do this one. This one's speaking to me. Okay. So we'll go ahead and put eggs in a basket in here because we finished it. All right, and we'll go back up here. And there's where our busy bee cards go. And then we have our coin to cash. Okay, now we can start at the beginning since we finished those two I wanted to finish before the end of the month. All right, so we started this one last time. It's Lotus and Lily, and this is the one that I just received from her membership. So let's do this one right here. Looks like we have a 9. Okay, $9. These keep being these denominations. It's gonna take me a minute. All right, so we're gonna put a 1 back and take 2 5s. So just with 2 rolls or 2 scratches, we've already got $17. Isn't that something? All right. We'll slip that right back in there. All right, so we're going to time for reading. So we're going to look into this one. Let me move that. All right, so we're starting a new month. So this is this will be April. Let's see. Let's roll and see what it tells us. I liked doing that last time. 5. Okay. So let me get my marker. So we're going to do 5 here. Alrighty. Let me grab the cash out. So we'll get that in there. And we've got 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, $61. 61 buckaroos. All right, so hey. Hi, I'm about to go take a shower. Okay. All right, so let's get this put back in here. Hey, look for Onyx while you're up there. Okay, so we've got that one. So now we've got Rain or Shine. And it's hard for me to do this one because the day that I'm recording this, technically, it's for next week. So I have no idea. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to save $5 for the day because I know next week in where we're going is supposed to be in the 50s, I think. So we're going to do a 5, and I think it's supposed to be sunny, so we'll do $2. So that's what we'll do this time. So let's see what that gives us. So we have 50, 55, 60, 65, $67. Okay, so let me get this put up and we'll go to the next one. Okay, so the next one is the new one, Busy Bee cards, but we're going to wait because I want to get the other ones that we have already had in here to do, which would be Sunflower Savings. I got happy one day printing, and I didn't know if I was going to put this in a big binder or a little binder, so I got it all printed out. All right, so we're going to color something, and we save $3 for every color you use to complete a picture. All righty. What do we want to do? We're going to do this bee right here. So we're going to have black and yellow for sure. So let's start with that. We're going to start with his little body. So we're going to do yellow. I don't know. Is it black, yellow? I don't know. We're going to do black right here. And then yellow, and then this will be black. And then that little leg is part of it. And then that's yellow, and then this is black. Okay, kind of hard to see that. And we'll do his little stinger. Let's see. We're going to give him his yellow stripes. I say it's a him, but it kind of looks kind of girly, so I guess I should say her. Should say her. Okay. And we're going to color these little wings yellow. And the face is going to be yellow. And then black little antennas. So we're at $6 so far. And then we have the flower. So we can go ahead and we'll do the green. So that's $9. And I think we better stop there, and we'll finish up the flower later. All right, so that's $9 that we owe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So we'll get that in here. All right. Sorry if you heard that. My daughter came in. She was trying to be quiet, but I think she was crinkling that bag a little more than she realized. Okay, so now we've done all of them, so we can go to the new ones that we just added now. So we can do some Busy Bee cards, but first, let's see. Let's just do the Busy Bee cards, and then we'll go. I don't know why I took that out. Then we'll do the next one if we can. I haven't done these cards in a long time, so this is going to be a fun treat. All right, so let's see what they have in store for us today. Oops. Okay. So the way we play it is we just start, turning them over. All right. Honey Money, save $5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Another $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I guess we're done, guys. That didn't last long, did it? Oh well, that's okay. Let's see if I can get these back in there. Alrighty. Put this back in the box over here, and we'll put our $10 in our binder. Okay, so here we go. We'll put it right there. Now we did it. We didn't get to do coins to cash, but I wanted to look at it anyways. So let's see, color and save any coin for each egg. Okay, that would be fun. And then color and save any coin or a bill for each symbol. And then roll your dice and save the number in coins or bills. Write the amount saved in the duckling. Color a swan and save 2 of any bills. Color a sparkle and save 2 of any coin. That's fun. All right, so we'll probably start with this one next time. I don't know if we will, probably. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you're having a wonderful week. I can't wait to get back and tell y'all about my trip. And I plan to take some pictures. The cherry blossoms are supposed to be blooming, and I cannot wait. That's one of my favorites to see. And I've never seen it in person, and I'm really, really excited about it. So it's supposed to be at its peak blooming when we're there. So we kind of timed it right. So I hope that you will subscribe, like, and comment. And be sure to comment below and tell me where you're going to go on your next vacation. I would love to know. So I will